What the fuck is up, everybody? We out here. Yo, we're doing it. We're starting right now. It's happening.
Right now, what?
YouTube. Clark Street.
Dude, we are YouTubing already, bro. I've been telling you, we've been YouTubing for the longest time, bro. This is where we start then? Fuck yeah. Welcome to day one. Welcome to Clark Street. This is the first day of YouTube.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm always ready.
Alright.
So wait, so can we explain now what we're doing for YouTube, or like what we're kind of
I'm just
like,
transferring some data right now.
He's transferring the data.
169.
So starting what?
Right now.
Right now.
John, what's going on over here?
I'm shooting Mara.
Oh, new Tinder pics? Oh, Cherry.
How should I do this?
How do you do this?
Okay.
He's got it. He's got it. He's got it.
One cherry down.
Welcome back.
What do you gotta do, bro? Invoice?
Invoice, you know. Is this it?
You gotta make sure that you get that money. No invoice, no money.
Gotta get that bread, you know what I'm saying? I'm like way out here.
What are you working on, Noah?
I'm just looking at the emails right now, going through everything.
What's the email life like?
Cool, just people hitting up, seeing what, you know, trying to rent out the space and whatnot. We got this guy from, which I'm pretty excited about now.
Yeah?
Made my day a little bit.
What happened?
So Half Anchor has replied to our email for a sponsorship. So they're offering 2 full-size kegs and custom-made solo cups.
Oh, custom made?
Custom
Oh my
made.
god.
That's pretty fucking dope, bro. I'm pretty geeked. I'm actually really happy that all the hard work just shows that we're doing it. So, good things come around. Keep working at it. The only thing is I need to get back to them today, so I would need like all your docs and everything of like your guys' proposals, what you guys are doing for the event.
Sponsorship.
The sponsorship deck, so I can get everything over to them, so they know what the event is and where it's at, because they know of the house now. So the thing is, like they're on full board with it. They they love the vision. That's what they said in the email. They're like, yeah, we definitely like mess with what you guys are doing. So
yeah, good, John. Be that stylist.
some shit like this.
Fuck yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Dropped out of college just to hold her. Dropped out of college just to
Getting paid.
Bro, that's some money moves, bro.
Career right here. Look at this.
New career.
It's all with the angles, you know? Alright, so we go.
Yeah, let's go.
Big ass reflector. Look at this. Yo, we out
The sun's that way though. So
Yeah, I know.
you need to like
I'm not
hit it
trying-
this way so
I'm
it
not trying
reflects
to
that
blind
way.
you, bro.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to blind you, bro.
Excuse me, Mr. Photographer, what are we doing? Where are we going?
are gonna take photos.
Tell me the way.
This way.
This way? Okay. Just keep going that way. What? This is the spot, bro?
This is the spot.
Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, get the angle, John. Get the angle. Yeah, get the angle. Oh. Fashion walk shit?
Yes, except like look down and then like.
That?
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
Look at this. Oh my god.
oh
Oh
my.
my god. Oh, let's do it one more time.
Oh my.
Can't find her. Oh, there you go. I got her. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, oh my god. She's glowing.
Glowing. I found the spotlight. I got her. Look at her. Glowing.
Oh.
Ooh. Eagle.
I got you.
Lighting
Comment
daddy.
Light daddy. Dang.
What's the move, boss?
What's the move, boss?
She's gonna be on top of the bridge.
On top of the bridge? Oh.
Try to get the shadow away from her.
Come on, bro. You're supposed to be lighting technician pro.
It's flying, bro.
Come on.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, yes, there you go.
Oh. Like magazine poses.
Oh,
Yeah. Put the light on her face.
I'm trying, bro.
Oh my god.
First day shooting.
Oh, look down. Scott, keep it on her face.
Trying. It's It's not my fault.
You good? Are you famous?
I only get paid $10 an hour, bro.
Damn.
Yeah.
Just to hold that?
Yeah, just hold this.
That's some good money.
You know, this is my life, my dream job.
Dream job, he's living it right now.
I quit photography for this. I quit photography for holding.
All right,
Yeah,
bye. Wow, what a beautiful light rays of light. Oh my god, it's up! No, to left, to left, to left, to left, to left. Oh, oh, a little more, a little more. Oh, that's the spot right there.
This thing is too bad, I can't even see. Here it goes.
Oh my god, it's a beauty. Is this the last spot finally or what?
Yeah, one last one.
Oh yeah? Okay.
One more.
Alright.
One more.
What's the secrets, John? What's the
I
secret?
think the secret is everybody goes there.
Oh, so that's the secret? Just do what everybody else does?
No, I mean, that's where I go. All right?
Okay. So just go where John goes and you're good. You hear that, everyone? So this is it.
Alright,
This is
so
the spot.
outside.
So some stairs and
I don't know, just pretend like you're doing something.
What do I do?
bro, you gotta light her.
Get the ring light right there.
Oh my god, you have to light her, bro. What are you doing?
I don't have to light her. You already
You gotta
got the
learn
ring
how to
light.
light, bro.
I don't even know how to light.
Light her right side.
Oh
What do you mean
my
light her right
god.
Stand right here and
The
light
right
her.
side is
Look at that.
You, that's, what?
I don't know, bro. I'm just
What?
experimenting her.
What?
Hello.
What?
I'm rubbing her back. Oh.
Come on, John. Mid shoot, taking forever. This shot could have been done already.
Ooh, I'm trying to get that bird.
What is this from?
That's from
Why?
us.
It's fucking hilarious.
Oh, so this is the spot.
Oh, fuck.
Go.
It's art.
Art, bro.
Art, baby. Show me the art. You gotta get the right stance. You gotta get the nice little, yeah, shimmy, shimmy. Yes. Yes, work it, work
Sky,
it, work
turn
it.
it a little
work
more to your right.
it. A little bit to your right, Sky.
Like that?
Just like that.
Follow you on Instagram, and I met you before. Hi.
Oh my god, we got a fan. Damn, John, get those. I see those feet. Look at it. Look at the way the feet go. Oh my god. Oh. It's
See that switch?
oh. Oh.
I'm done? Yeah.
Hooray. Is that a wrap? Is that it?
That's a
Did
wrap.
you do it?
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Burrito?
Yeah.
That's a burrito. We're wrapped. It's a photographer. Oh, the details.
More like boobs.
What are you talking about?
Gotta get the details.
Oh my
Hold
God.
on.
Fill it
Product
in.
shooting, product
Come
shooting.
on, you need the light. And the shoot continues. He has to get the profile. Oh.
It continues.
That's a wrap on John's shoot. Are we good, John?
Oh,
Did you
we're
do
good.
it? All right.
Good.
Nailed it. We're done. We'll see you back at the car shoot. John, you don't have the key?
No, I forgot it.
Oh my god.
I know.
Oh my god, they're gonna hate us.
Bounce off light.
Oh hey, we're back. Did you miss us?
Yes.
Alright, bet.
With my lust stick, homie tryna bust quick, nut up on the stomach, I'm coming. Said I'm coming up with this stuff up a big guy, super fly, honey wanna hit mine, I hit yours, banging off the board, then we dogging on the floor. Missy, hope you lock the door. Cause if your dad walks in, guess I'm squaring up, butt naked, throwing fist, I don't give up. I want it once just for fun when I'm rolling up a skunk, double Dutch dick, riding while I pump, shush. Shawty fit, kiss it, gripping down them hips as she strip, take a lick, tick tock, just a tip for a second. till I'm stiff. Gotta stick up to Fritz, can't forget about his last incident. Let's begin, listen, spitting on my mission. Lifted, introducing multi-inches. Vicious with my lust stick, homie tryna bust quick. Nut up on a stomach, I'm coming. Said my buddy's coming up, waistband, swim trunks, get. Hold up, I gotta open this door. Listen, spilling out my mystic. Gifted by the way the rubber's ripping. Cheeks clamping, no resistance, still I must deliver. Quick clean up with the Kleenex, now she clean as ever. Brush the teeth too, that's a true queen. Plus the way that she moves sexy make my dog sick. Like I'm swinging from a tree branch, licking up a cheek. Flipping on my Donnie Deek till the water start to leak. Premature recurrence, often never service when my
to the Bills
like
now.
Circus, it's the crowd,
See you there.
Here we go. I'm just kidding. I'm excited.
That's the Sears Tower right there.
Oh my God.
Sears Tower. You got the Hancock right here.
Hancock's beautiful at night.
Hey, look at Eiffel Tower.
Oh my God. Oh.
Boom.
It's a beautiful city.
Yep. Yeah, Chicago has everything in New York. Everything you want. You got an ocean right here.
Ocean.
Yep. Big
Oh
water.
my God.
Big body.
Chicago's full of possibilities and dreams. Whatever you want, you make it.
You make
Yeah.
it. You make it. You know.
Yeah?
You know.
Like this cotton candy machine over here.
So far away, it's from the universe right there, the galaxy, right there.
Oh my.
Is light years away, right there. You see, that's where you see lines. So.
Alright, the more you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Someone's vaping.
Oh my God.
Yo, come with me. Come with me.
Okay, whoa, whoa,
Someone who's
whoa,
vaping. Someone who's vaping, guys. Oh, you see, from the distance,
Oh my.
someone's vaping. That's one of my brother.
Zoom up, it's just another Asian.
Yo, we made it.
Nabil, we here. We here.
Welcome to my crib. Here for Nabil. Is it 30:05? Yeah. he moved.
This, we have guests here in the lobby. Filming. Welcome back to Mansion Edition. You've seen Hotel, you've seen Clark Street. Now you're seeing the Mansion.
Penthouse. One lot trick.
This is our
You
last-
know the person got money when you look at the ceiling. You see how tall this ceiling is? Wall bricks. Look at this. Real bricks.
Real stone.
Real bricks.
Oh, what? Okay.
Oh no, hit the
Hey,
button.
or no, he didn't know. He didn't
Oh no. Oh no.
You know? Look at this tall ceiling.
Our doorman doesn't even know.
Hey,
I hear something.
You gotta have faith.
gotta have faith.
You gotta have faith. You can't lose faith.
But where is it though? It's still not here. Oh yes.
The light.
Now back to
Our regular schedule.
regular
program.
schedule. 30, what? You obviously 3.
No,
obviously.
30, bro.
30, bro.
Over
Yeah, I know, I
there,
know
yeah,
exactly
right
where we
there.
live, bro. God, shut up.
Come on.
Yeah,
we're
just
little.
click the wrong button. Follow us.
Alright, you know the rest.
Yeah, you own
We out here.
it. You own it. Homie.
Hey, it's the secret password there. Come here, let me show you something. Come here. Hey, no.
Oh, hello. What's on the bill?
How are you?
Show you something.
Be back.
We're back.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Dude, did you watch the trailer?
This is our homie. He hosts down the trap house. You know what I'm saying?
Penthouse.
Alright, later. Peace.
Taco Bell first.
Definitely Taco Bell.
Taco Bell canteen food.
Taco. Mm. Oh, let's go. Oh my god.
Can you buy me?
Oh my god, what are we getting?
That's the new
Everything's doing.
We all,
Filming?
we're just entrepreneurs.
Oh, okay. That's what's up.
Can I get the gravy?
The chalupa box?
Yeah. Is it beef?
Huh?
For my tacos, is it beef?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Everything's beef on there.
Okay, for sure.
No problem.
left
Rip.
That's it.
Cozy over here.
True.